channel and welcome to another video. Now today's video is gonna be a super fun one because I am gonna be sharing my Miniso haul with you guys. So as you can see, I did a bit of shopping from Miniso, and I know you guys are always interested in watching Miniso haul, so here you go. And in case you are new to my channel, hi, I'm Ridhima. I make videos on fashion, beauty, lifestyle. I keep creating these haul videos, so in case you enjoy watching such content, then please make sure you hit that subscribe button and join the family. And also wait for the next video, because in that video I am going to be sharing another haul where I show you this top, because I'm very sure I'm going to get a lot of inquiries, comments about where is my top from. So keep on watching this space, because you're going to see another haul very soon. Now without any further ado, let's start our Miniso haul. Of what I was buying. I only wanted to get like things that are actually useful and I would kind of use around the house. So the first thing that I bought is this set of lunch boxes. Now these are plastic lunch box. I prefer using glass lunch boxes and storage containers for my everyday use in my kitchen, but the glass containers they had were a bit expensive, I think I would say, and that's why I ended up getting these plasticky ones. Well, they are dishwasher safe and microwave safe. Yes, they say it is dishwasher safe and microwave safe, so and also freezer safe, so I can put this in the freezer. Now this is an airtight box which comes like this. It was available in 3 different colors. I chose this peach one. There was also a green and a blue, pastel green, pastel blue available in this. And then there's this hook in the front, as you guys can see here. Now when you seal this, it becomes airtight. If you open this up, there's still a little space for the air to pass out, so you just have to seal it, and that's it. That's airtight container for you. Now it comes in a set of 3, so I've got 3 different sizes. There's this medium one, this was the large, this is the medium, and then there's this small container. I absolutely love them, and I know I'm gonna be using them a lot in the kitchen this time. By the way, also in case you don't want to go out yet because of Corona, and you still want to shop from Miniso, Miniso is available on Amazon India, so you guys can always go and check out. I'm gonna be leaving all the Amazon links of these products in the description box. In case you are interested, you can go and buy them for yourself. Now next thing I bought is this scented candle set. Now if you know me personally, you would know I am obsessed with scented candles. I like scented candles every evening around the house, and it just gives me peace and calmness. And if I'm very moody, or if I'm being sad or upset, or if I'm getting anxiety or anxious, then I think scented candles helps me a lot personally. And now I got this set of 3 scented candles. This is in the variant Jasmine, if I'm not wrong, Sweet Pea and Jasmine, and this is the scented candle. It definitely smells very beautiful. It smells amazing, absolutely amazing. There was another coconut and vanilla one, but I did not I'm not a big fan of vanilla fragrance as such, so I did not get that one. But this is absolutely amazing. Just look at this. It is super cute, super duper cute, very nice, very beautiful smelling candle. In case you are someone like me who likes scented candles, definitely check out Miniso's collection of scented candles. And this is my first time I've bought scented candles from Miniso as well. So that's that. Now let's see what else I've got here. Oh, this time I bought these eyelashes from Miniso. Look at these. They are so pretty. Now recently, you guys know, if you know, you have been following me for the longest time, you know I like getting eyelash extensions, but my eyelash eyelashes, like my extensions got off a couple of weeks ago. So now what I've started doing is I've started applying false eyelashes myself. Even today I'm wearing false eyelashes. These are the Demi Wispies by Ardell. But I wanted to try out, like I just got super excited seeing that Miniso has eyelashes, so I ended up getting this one. I don't know if it doesn't say any name or any number, but it's just this golden packaging, because I saw there were a couple of other eyelashes as well, like the white in the white packaging, but I ended up getting this golden one and I cannot wait to use them. I think I'm gonna use them tonight. We have to go to attend a party and I think I'm gonna be wearing these ones. Next up, let me see. Next up I have, oh my god, look at this. This is the cutest pen ever. Now Miniso also has a wide variety of cute stationery available you know, in their stock. And this is the pumpkin pen that I bought this time. This is so cute. Look at the pumpkin on the top. Oh my god, it looks so cute. And then it is an orange pen, and that's the pen for you. It is a, you know, black ball pen. It is like, I just ended up buying it because it looked so cute. I did not really get into the details of gel pen, ball pen, black or blue. I only found out it is a black pen when I, you know, bought everything home and I wanted to try it. So this is the next thing that I got. And the final thing that I got from Miniso is, oh my god, they are so amazing. I got these tumbler glasses from Miniso. Now this comes in a set of 3 glasses, as you guys can see, and oh my god, I was so surprised. They were so cheap, so cheap. I was like, why not, you know, buy more? So I ended up getting like 6 of these. Can you imagine? I did not need any glasses, but since they were so cheap, I was like, just buy them, okay, just buy them. So I ended up getting these ones. I am super excited to use these. They look really nice. You know, the material and everything is super well made. You know, you can touch them and see the quality of the glasses. They are not the thin cheap ones, even though they are very cheap in price, but the material wise and the quality wise, it is absolutely amazing. And yeah, I ended up getting these ones to be used around the house. And that is it, guys, for my Miniso haul. I then went to Innisfree and I ended up getting a couple of products, you know, a sheet masks, and their new launches are absolutely amazing. In case you want to see a haul of my skincare products, then let me know. I will do it next week in case you guys are interested, because I've bought a bunch of them, as you guys can see. But yeah, this was it for my Miniso haul, you guys. I hope you enjoyed watching this. If you did, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and I will see you guys the next time. And don't forget to follow me on Instagram and subscribe to me on my YouTube, and I will see you guys